Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about the turning operation inside NXCam12, and we will be trying out to create the G codes for this turning part. So if you look at here and verify the roughing toolpath, and then we have the finishing toolpath. So we will try out to create both of these operations. As you know, when you click on the manufacturing mode and apply turning, you will be get into such kind of environment. Then click on the geometry view, the spindle, okay, the MCS, you need to define it, the manufacturing coordinate system, and you need to define it here. Sometime it comes here, so then you need to bring it upward at this face, and I'll hit OK. Next, click on the workpiece and define this is my workpiece, and in the blank I'll take a bounding cylinder, and in this side for the chuck to be hold with, let me just take 23, it's better for me. And radial offset, I will take 2, see, okay, and hit OK. So once you click on the workpiece, sometimes it's not come properly. As you can see over here, this is better for me, right? See, and if it's not come the proper way, then you need to define the MCS so that the spindle axis passes the center of the part. So then you need to define certain tools. I just defined this tool for the roughing and this tool for the finishing. If you don't know how, you have to click on the turning and define this tool, and for finishing this tool. Next, I'll click on the operation and turning and rough turn OD NC program. Define this turning workpiece and lay it rough. Okay. See, now all the region it has taken linear zigzag, and tool we have just defined tool orientation, okay, light rough. And here, as you can see over here, that I will omit so that it will just cut horizontally. And let me just generate the toolpath. See, and let me just keep it 2 for now. See, and I will verify it and hit OK. See, so now this is fine for me. I will go for another operation, turning and finish turn OD and light finish. Okay, and as you can see over here, I will just generate it. But here, as you can see, this not comes the proper way, so you have to maintain cut direction, and then you want to do one thing, just generate it. And method, see, we have 0 stock remaining, and omit this one and now generate it. See, we are getting this straight cut. If you do this and see, you will see some bends over here, but once I click here and then generate it, it will get straight and generate it and verify this for now. Now you will see. I will hit OK and hit OK. So once you're happy with that, then what to do is just to go for the bus processor and LED 2-axis, turn reference, not y-axis, this one, not y-axis, and Milton multi-spindle, Milton LED 2-axis, LED apply. Okay, so I need to retrieve my pass processor from the library. So I think pass processor is not the critical issue for you once you create the program. Thanks for watching.